Welcome guys to the Seniors channel, and in today's video we'll be taking a look on iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is the Apple newest flagship iPhone, which is currently available in the market. These two devices have very amazing features. The two devices measures that is 6.1 and 6.7 inches, that is respectively, and these two devices have unique common features that is compared to iPhone 13. For example, one is the dynamic island camera cutout, and the two devices also have an A16 chip and a Qualcomm X65 modem. The most amazing feature present in this device is the satellite connectivity, that is capabilities. Something else that you need to take note is that the devices that are present in the US, that is iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max, those devices do not have that is a SIM card slot. They will be using what we call the eSIM, that is electronic SIM cards. But all the other devices that are distributed to other parts of the world, they will have that is you'll have both the devices, that is iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max, having the SIM card slot, and some others will have what we call the eSIM or the electronic SIM card. Something else that you need to take into account or you need to take note, that is iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Pro Max introduce a new standard for photo and video capture with a new 12 megapixels main camera featuring a larger sensor and large pixels, a new front true depth camera, and the ultra wide camera to capture more of a scene, and photonic engine for giant leap in a low light, that is in a low light performance. This device is very amazing. The Apple iPhone Pro Max comes with a single camera setup on a rear, which has 48 megapixels and a double 12 megapixels cameras, which features on the rear camera setup to include, for example, that is in the rear camera we have the digital zoom. We also have the auto flash, face detection, and touch to focus. In case you want to grab this device, that is when you are in US, it will cost you, that is $800 US, that is $800 US. Something else that you need to take into account, that this device is water resistant. Both the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max, they are water resistant. That's all we have for today guys. Kindly continue watching. That's all we have for today.